Have you ever cracked an egg into your pan, only to wonder if it was actually fresh or already too old to use? It's something many people overlook, but using fresh eggs can make a huge difference in both taste and texture. So, before we start cooking, let me show you a simple and quick freshness test that anyone can do right at home. Prepare 2 glasses and fill them with water until they're almost full. Then, gently place each egg into a glass. Let's take a look. If the egg is fresh, it will sink to the bottom and lie flat on its side. And if the egg is old, it will stand upright or even float on the surface like this. Based on that, I pick out the 5 freshest eggs to begin. Next, I prepare 5 silicone molds and place them in the air fryer tray. Then, I mix a small amount of clean water with ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar in a measuring cup, stirring well with a spoon. If you want your eggs to taste better, try adding a little soy sauce or a pinch of pepper. Simple, but surprisingly delicious. After that, I pour a little of this mixture into the bottom of each mold. This step is very important. It creates moisture during cooking, helps the egg whites set gently, and prevents the eggs from sticking to the molds. Now, I crack 1 egg into each silicone mold. Be gentle when cracking the eggs, so the yolks stay intact and don't break. Using a heart-shaped silicone mold will give your poached eggs a beautifully neat and eye-catching shape, perfect for making your dish look extra special on camera. You can also get creative by using silicone molds in other fun shapes to make your eggs even more unique and visually appealing. Once I've cracked 5 eggs into the mold, I carefully lift the tray and slide it into the air fryer, getting everything ready for perfectly cooked eggs. I cook them in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting, let's move on to the second dish. I prepare 4 cups and crack 1 egg into each. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's amazing how we can connect with each other from all around the world. Next, I peel 4 bananas. I cut 3 of them into 3 equal parts. Do you often add bananas to your dishes? They're incredibly nutritious. Now I place the banana pieces into the 4 cups. Then add 1 teaspoon of condensed milk to each. It's amazing how we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Using a fork, I mash the bananas and mix everything together with the eggs until well combined. I still have 1 banana left, so I'll take a moment to slice it into small, even pieces. This way, it not only looks more appealing, but also blends perfectly with the rest of the ingredients, adding a natural sweetness and a nice finishing touch to the dish. After that, I arrange the banana slices I cut earlier on top. You can also sprinkle in some raisins or other dried fruits to enhance the flavor. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's amazing how we can connect with each other from all around the world. At this point, the 10 minutes are up. I carefully remove the eggs in the silicone molds from the air fryer and let them cool for a few minutes. Then, I clean the air fryer and place the banana cups inside. Make sure you're using heat-resistant cups, otherwise they might crack or break once they go into the air fryer. After carefully arranging all the banana-filled cups onto the tray, I'll gently slide it into the air fryer to start cooking them at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Since this takes a bit longer to cook, I'll set it aside for now and turn our attention back to the eggs we prepared earlier. Let's see how they turned out. Once the eggs have cooled, removing them is very easy. Just gently press around the edges of the silicone molds. Thanks to the layer of water we added earlier, the eggs slide out effortlessly. If you want beautifully shaped, soft, and delicious eggs like this, give this method a try. I'm sure you'll love it. As you can see, silicone molds give the eggs a really beautiful and eye-catching shape. You can also experiment with other cooking methods like boiling or steaming to get different textures. And when you pair them with fun-shaped molds, they turn into something truly exciting. I'm sure your kids will absolutely love these. And that's not all. This is a simple way to make everyday meals more fun and creative. Feel free to mix in your favorite ingredients like vegetables, cheese, or even a bit of ham to make each serving unique and even more delicious. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to give it a try at home and let me know how it turns out. And of course, stay tuned for more easy and creative cooking tips coming up next. Let's take a look inside. I cut one egg in half, and you can see the yolk is still soft and creamy in the center, so appetizing. Now the 25 minutes are done. I take the banana cakes out of the air fryer. The aroma fills the whole house. It's amazing how we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. And just like that, we've shared some truly fun and satisfying moments together in the kitchen today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot and motivates me to keep bringing you more simple, healthy cooking tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.